Hi everybody, it's Deborah from Stamp On It. This is a quick video just to introduce you into an exciting new product that we have. In addition to our 12 card kits, we now have a 4 card kit. It is an A6 card kit, which means some of you have no idea what that is, even seasoned stampers and paper crafters. The size of the cards that it creates is an A6, which is slightly larger than an A2, which we're kind of used to. A6 is a greeting card size. So let me go through and show you what the kit comes with. First of all, kit comes with the 4 A6 greeting cards, and they are pre-scored, and coordinating envelopes, either white or cream. Then you will have 4 coordinating overlays to the image that's in the kit, and these will vary from kit to kit as well as within a kit design. We try to do some, especially at the shows, we will do kits with different offerings in them, so you will have some choices when you pick your kits. This particular kit is our Mountain Streams Rounds 2, and the rounds is a round image. All right, 4 images on acetate, pre-printed, ready to cut. Has your no measure cut lines, so all you have to do is cut on the lines, and it will fit perfectly into the overlays that are provided with the kit. Also in the kit is a sheet of glitter film so that you can put it onto your images to make them a beautiful sparkle if you like. Most people do, because that is an absolutely gorgeous addition to an image. Also in the kit are complete detailed line-by-line instructions. We also have videos on our website if you need additional assistance or want to see it in a video type instruction. Also in the kit, you will have 2 coordinating sticker sheets. And again, the color will be either gold, silver, black, white, so on, depending on the image, the overlay, and the cardstock that's in here. But we will coordinate the whole kit. And again, the offerings that will be online, on our online store, will be, you'll be able to build your kit. If you go to the show, you will be able to look at the back of the packaging and the kit itself and see what is offered in that particular package. Now let me show you a couple of images, or samples I should say, not images. I'm not sure if I have this exact one with me. Should have come better prepared. I'm going to show you one of our new kits. And that one is my favorite. It is in memory of my mother, who passed away about 11 years ago. It's called Joan's Butterfly Garden. It's a beautiful sheet, and it is available as a single sheet and this is also available in our online store. This is Butterfly's Garden, Joan's Butterfly Garden. And it's a rounds, so it coordinates with the rounds. This is available in a 4 card kit, 12 card kit, single sheet, and our new combo sheets. But this is one of the cards that is made from a greeting card kit. Notice the larger size card, overlays, acetate, glitter film, stickers that all coordinate. So that is our, and I'm going to close this video because I don't want to make it lengthy, but that is our new 4 card kits. We have them in 17 at this point, different designs, and again they are at our in-person shows and will be online soon. Watch for that to show up. Here's just a few of the kits just to give you an idea. Vintage Holidays, Magnolia Dreams, Maritime, The Garden Shop, and of course, Joan's Butterfly Garden. So, with that I close. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you at a show soon or online. www.stamponit.net is our website, And if you want to email us, you can email us right off from that website. It comes directly to our order desk. Thanks for watching. Bye.